Hey guys, today we're reviewing a folding knife. So this folding knife comes with a manual. Oh, check this out. Look at that stealthy knife. Look at that. That is sharp. Absolutely stunning. So when you pull it out, just like that, it locks into place. So the blade is now fixed and it's locked. So right in here, what you do is you press it over for the blade to be loosened up, and then it folds down. Keep your finger out of the tray here when you're closing it. But it does have resistance, so if your finger's accidentally here, it's not going to come slamming down on your finger. So that's a great feature. It's got a bottle opener right in here, and a can opener, like you can open different mason jar lids as well. So it's very sleek, very stylish. And simple to open. So let's see how sharp it is. Square. Right out of the box, this hard square cuts no problem, and this is thick cardboard. As you guys can see, this is not just one layer, it's multiple layer cardboard. That's how sharp it is. I mean, it just cuts through multiple layers. Really nice. You see that, like, the finish in the metal, pretty cool. Overall, a great knife for taking with you and concealing. And again, like we said, what you do here, you just press this to the side. You use your finger or fingernail, you press, let's see if we can show you guys. Right here, you press that to the side, and this comes right down, just like that.